Hello everyone, greetings. I am called Mafo Joshua, one of the co-founders at Nexvo. So Nexvo is a resume builder designed to help you create an 8 years professional CV to help you land jobs at companies of your choice. So we offer HR approved templates and AI writing tools to get you noticed. Most people don't realize it, but a large number of resumes never reach an actual recruiter. Many companies use ATS, which is applicant tracking system that can scan and filter CVs automatically. And if your formatting is not right, the system rejects it before anyone gets a chance to read it. So Nexvo was created to solve exactly that problem. People are already using Nexvo on our websites, and you can do that by clicking on this button and it will simply take you to our resume builder. Now, inside the CV builder, the first thing you notice is that you can actually upload your existing CV, or you can actually import your information directly from LinkedIn by putting in your LinkedIn URL here. And then this makes it much easier because if you already have your existing information or details somewhere, you can simply do these steps and then our AI is going to autofill the various sections of your resume. Now, once the information is loaded, you will see all the main sections of your CV, your personal details, experience, education, skills, and then any other section that you want to include. Now, we also have a customized section panel here where you can actually add or delete sections that you like. And then this actually helps you to structure your CV depending on the type of job you are applying for. And then also take note that every section comes in with pre-inbuilt tips which can actually guide you on how to present your achievements, how to present your experiences in a nice and professional way. Now, to simply fill in each section, you simply click on the add button and you simply fill in all the details that you want to fill. So let's go for achievements. So if you click on achievements, you can have the different tips here to choose from to read, and you can actually add any achievements that you want to do, the title and the description with the date. You can do that for every other section that you want to include on your resume. So if you want to fill in your languages, you simply click on the add language and then you choose your language. Let's say English. I can add a different language, let's say French, and I can choose my proficiency level here, intermediate or advanced. I'll choose advanced for this one. I'll do the same for certification. I simply click on the add certification button. I click, let's say I did Python programming language, certification, and I can add as many as possible. Let me just say AWS certification. And you can actually click on the tips section here to read some of the tips and industry tips that you should take note of. Now, when you are done filling out the CV builder, you are going to see a green tick here. This green tick means that you have completed all the sections. And then take note that all the sections are not obligatory or mandatory. You can actually choose the section you wish to fill. That's depending on the company or depending on the type of job you are applying for. Now, when you are done, you have to click on the preview CV to actually see your CVs. Now, we have up to 6 different templates you can choose from: Modern Elite, Creative Studio, the Executive, Nautic Clean, Tech Stack, and finally ATS Standard. These templates are all free of charge. We don't charge anything, so it is free, and they are ATS friendly that you can use to apply for any job of your choice. Now, when you are done, you have to click on the download PDF. But before you download, you have to sign in because there's a dashboard you have to access. So you can sign in with email or password or simply with Google. So I'll sign up with Google. I click on the Google. When I'm done signing in, there's going to be an automatic download that will download your CV. Now, this is how your dashboard looks like. You are going to see all your recent CVs with its own template, download it, and you can actually do a lot of things here. You can decide to edit your CV, duplicates, change the templates since we have up to 6 templates, download, share, or delete. These are the options that you have here. And if you want to create a new CV, you can simply create a new CV, sign up. We also have the resources here, where you can access all our recent articles and blog posts written by our professionals. You can view our template sections here. We have up to 6 different templates where you can choose from and create a new CV. And so that is it about our resume builder, which you can use to create your resume CV.